Bounce. I feel so nice. And even if you're not going out, we have to look good. We have to look good. It keeps us at positive spirits. And once the lockdown is over, so many ways you can style your hair. Me, I love this. I love this look. Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're fine and I hope you're safe wherever you are. If you are new here, a new subscriber, or they say a new subbies. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. This is the place to be. My name is Sarah, or you can call me Audi, and I love hair. So guys, I want to say a big thank you to everyone. Yani wewe mwenye subscribe, thank you for subscribing, and keep sharing with your friends and your family and everyone and your girlfriends. Share with them. The link is down below, and let's get down to the video. So guys, in today's video, I am so excited guys. I love Jamaican Bounce. I'll be doing a hairstyle called Jamaican Bounce. If you don't know it, like it's a crochet hairstyle. Yes. So basically I'll focus much on the crocheting part and not on the cornrows part. Yeah, but I do my own cornrows. Well, if you want a video on how to do cornrows just by itself, please comment down below. Comment down below. It's super free. Yeah, and subscribe. Watch again on the subscribe. Able finger your subscribe button. Yeah. So guys, this is the hair that I'm using. It's called Sister, and I'm using number 1-33. But then there are two Jamaican Bounce. This one for angels and now this one for sister. I always prefer sister. Yeah. So I'll just go ahead and do my cornrows. I'm not gonna talk much. I can talk the whole day. Yeah, mimi napenda story sana. So I'll go ahead and do my cornrows. Most people may not be able to do the cornrows very well, but if you want a video, if you're interested in knowing how I do my own cornrows, just comment down below. And by the way, my cornrows are not as neat as how I'd do it on another person, but they're good to go. Like I said, you don't need to have like the neatest of the cornrows. We are rocking the crotchet, not the cornrows, so can't do it totally, just go to your local salonist or just somebody you know who can do your cornrows. It can even be at home, your sister, your mama. Yes, and just get your cornrows done. I'm really shiny, or is it glowing? I don't know. Hey, sinitabaki tu hivyo bila nywele, hapana. So I always leave these ones. Yeah, like you don't have to like strain my hair, hapana. Don't strain your scalp. Well, songa tu cornrows unaweza tu, yeah. Oh, because my scalp is a bit dry and I'm using TCB coconut oil. Yeah, I'm using this. I'll go right ahead and oil my scalp. So, oil tu na mkono, that is what I have. Yes, that's what I have. So just go ahead. This is how the hair looks. There is like two, and the number 1, which is the black one, if you don't know, is usually more than the number 3, which is a little brown. You see, we have this, and then we have this. Yeah, we have the really two. Yeah, so this is number 1, and this is number 33. Yeah, so this one is usually like more. So yeah, so I'll just go ahead and separate. Now this one strand, I'm going to separate it into 4. One strand into 4. So let me show you how I usually separate them. So you can just get it in the middle, and then this is all. Just go ahead and twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn. That way it's easier. I don't think there's any other way you can separate it, because it can be a little tangled, but then it is the best. Mbona za brown zinatoka haraka kuliko za black? Yeah. So my 2 strands again is separated into 2.
So guys, note that when you're detangling or when you're separating, some may be so tangled that you may need to come in with your scissors and detangle. And also, you don't have to separate into 4. You can separate into as little as you want or as small as you want. Yeah. So it doesn't have to be 4 times. It can be 5, 6, 8 times, 10 times, just whichever size you prefer to do. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and do the same for the rest. So basically this is how your hair is supposed to look at the end of separating all of them. You separate and then we start crocheting.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. And we go ahead and do the crocheting. Open, this is how your crocheting looks. I'll go ahead and open. Alright, go ahead and open. So when you open, it looks like this. And then I go and insert my hair, and then with the hook I'm just going to grab it and then close, and then I will pull it, then I go ahead and tie. So I'm tying it twice, that's why I call it, it's just my name, it's not like a standard way or something. So this is how it looks. Grab and you close, go ahead and close, then you pull it and tie. We're tying it twice because it's gonna run like it depends at Tukana. So that's why in Nini Maramili. Yep. So basically it is so easy. You can start from anywhere. The people say, oh, start from the back. Okay, even if you want to start from the middle, it's fine. So long as you know your hair is going to be enough. Like nilako haitesha katikati. You're good to go. You're good to go. Yeah. Then I just tie it twice. I feel like I'm some Beyonce or something. So go ahead and just do the crocheting very fast. It should take you less than 30 minutes if you're fast enough, or even an hour. Yeah, just take your time. We just love this here. Jamaican Bounce. It's one hair I know will never ever disappoint me. I don't know, I'm just loving this. I'm loving this hair. Honestly, I'm loving this. I told you guys. Me and Jamaican Bounce, we are inseparable. Inseparable. So the good thing about this hair is it needs very, very minimal maintenance. Like you just need to apply some bit of oil and just detangle with your hair and you're good to go. And you can also reuse it, by the way. Like you can see me doing, I'm really so random with how I'm crocheting. Like I don't have a specific side to start with and finish and then go to So I'm just like, you know, I feel like going to this side and then finish and then this other side. Love it. So guys, the last thing I could always tell you to do, like when you feel like your lines are like so separate, like they're so far away from each other. Hey, which English is that? But I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. If they're not like close enough, like you can always combine 2 lines. So I hope you're gonna see what I'm going to do. And I always prefer like here at the side, then we close. So I've crocheted I've done 1 crochet on two lines. So it's like I've combined. Yeah, and I hope you can see how it's turning out. You can always do some trimming. just to ensure like they are all zinatoshana. Yeah, not too short, not too long. So guys, the last thing I'm doing is I'm laying my edges, and this is because first of all I didn't like when I was doing the cornrows, I didn't like touch them. Yeah, and also because I wanted to have like a bit of some natural look, so that's why I feel like I need to really do the edges, and I'm using the eco gel, the normal one. And by the way, do you know, like when you use this eco gel, the argan one to be specific, when you wash off your hair, it leaves your hair so soft, so soft. That's one thing I found about this argan. I love it so much. So this is what I'm using to lay my edges. I'll just lay it. You don't have to do this, by the way. You can just leave your hair like this, but I always prefer doing this. One, because them edges have to be laid. And also because I want my hair to have some bit of natural look. Yeah. So that is it. This is the final look, and mimi naipenda. Let me know what you think about this hair, guys, and let me know in the comment section. Comment down below. Love this look. That was it for this video. I want to say a big thank you to you who's watched till the end. You are amazing. Thank you for the support you guys have shown me. We're at 100 subscribers, and come on, have you subscribed? Please just subscribe. Let's get to 200 subscribers, and then 500, and then 1,000, and then thousands. Guys, thank you for the support. And to the guys who are watching this video, I mean the men or the boys, thank you for your support. Thank you so much. Sana, Santi. Share with your friends, share with your sisters, your cousins, just anybody and everybody. Thank you so much. Until then, bye.